Skool versus Thinkific. In this video, we're going to be talking about two of the greatest all-in-one community platforms out there, and we're going to be talking about which one is better and which one gives you the better features and functionalities, okay? So first of all, let's talk about the pricing factor, because that's the most important factor when it comes to starting off with a platform, all right? So Thinkific, when it comes to pricing, you have the basic plan, the start plan, and the grow plan. So you have $36 per month, $74 per month, and $149 per month. Skool, on the other hand, is totally free, which is why I would definitely urge you to use Skool if you're budget friendly, alright? Now, moving on, when it comes to the actual functions and features, the features of Thinkific far outweigh the features of Skool, because obviously Skool is a newer platform and it just started. Thinkific, on the other hand, gives you a whole repertoire for creating amazing courses. You can build websites to market the business that you're creating, generate actual income by selling, and engage with your community and learn things from them, as well as help them learn things. So definitely Thinkific is good if you have the budget for it, but if you're budget friendly, Skool will work for you. So yeah, that's pretty much about there is when it comes to this video. Thank you for watching all the way till the end, and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.